Hey guys, this video is on push-ups. Really good chest, shoulder and tricep exercise. Also works your core as well. Really good exercise to mix in with a few other exercises, maybe with a machine weight, just for sitting that in there. Key points to remember when you're doing this one: as you're getting down into the rep, we want to try and slide the shoulders back, pull the shoulder blades together and stretch the chest. Getting down into the position, we want to try and line your knuckles up with your nipples. So if I get down on the floor and start at the bottom, my knuckles should be lined up with my nipples, my forearms should be parallel to the ground. When I'm pushing up, I'm pushing my hands away from my body, stomach stays nice and tight, lowering myself down. If you can get your chest to the ground, go all the way down. If you can't, just go halfway and slowly start to work deeper as your strength develops. Cool. So again, biggest things you can try and remember for this one: trying to get the shoulders back as you come down and trying to keep your core nice and tight. Cool. That's it for today.